Hey there everyone, today we're in San Antonio, Texas in a new construction community. This community is a small boutique community because it will only be about 30 homes when it's all said and done. So we're gonna check out this home directly behind me. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. We're gonna check it out and let me know what you think. So we are right off of Judson Road, as you can see. And this is the home that we're touring today. Has like that farm style modern look. And the landscaping does include a stone border with nice black trim and some black gutters, if you can see that. There we go. Does come with a small porch area. And a smart doorbell. Okay, so as we enter into the home, we are met with a pretty long foyer and the stairs right next to it. There is a window right off of the main door as well. Actually, if we go all the way up top, there's 2 windows above. And a nice chandelier. Okay, so as we enter into the home, we are met with the half bathroom. It's pretty spacious, actually. And the first hallway is where we will have our laundry room area. But right before we get to that, there is another coat closet right here, right off of the garage, or a place where you can put your shoes. Okay, the laundry area does come with a built-in shelving above the washer and dryer. And let's check out this garage. Okay, so the garage does have steps that are carpeted, and as we go down, there's a landing right here. It does have the garage door opener already installed, along with a sprinkler system, tankless hot water heater, and it is pre-looped for a water softener. Okay, so as we go back into the home, we have the living room, dining room, and kitchen area. So there is 2 windows in the dining room area. The kitchen island has space for about 3 bar stools. Your refrigerator would go right here. This builder is giving a promotion right now of a 4.99 interest rate with some of the appliances included. I believe the refrigerator is included, but I will double check, and that will be in the description below. That's the pantry, nice size. The island, and it does come with the oversized farm style sink with the Elite water system. The appliances are by Whirlpool. .42-inch cabinets. A gas range by Whirlpool as well. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the primary bedroom and then we'll go outside, but the primary bedroom is located on the first floor. So as we go into the bedroom, we are met with these double doors right here. So it is open space right now, but it can easily be converted into a closet if you like. But right now it's just an open space. It does have 3 full-size windows, ceiling fan, has nice tile, like a grayish color, and double vanities. Hardware is included for a towel hook. And walk-in shower. And it does have a bench right here for seating or your products, whatever you like. Let's look at the linen closet. Okay, there is a window, and the closet has built-in storage shelves, and there are shelves up top for the closet. Okay. So as I mentioned, the builder does have promotions going on right now with that interest rate of 4.99, and they're also giving $10,000 in flex cash that you can use however you like. If you would like to buy down the rate even more or whatever you would like on this home, because it is completed, you can get the price lowered if you like, or use it to buy down that interest rate. So outside, it is a covered patio, and it has electrical outlets and a place for a grill. The yard space isn't huge, but you do have somewhat of a yard. So it won't be much to mow, that's for sure. Okay, so as we go back into the home, we're gonna tour upstairs, and that's where we have the remaining 3 bedrooms. And we also have a loft area up there and something a little special. We're gonna go check that out. So if you are relocating to San Antonio, I would like to invite you to go down to the description of this video. You can grab my relocations guide. The link will be in there. And if you have any questions, we can also schedule a call, because my link for my calendar will be in there as well. So as we go upstairs, we do have an oversized loft area. And there's 2 windows, so we do have some light coming in from that angle. But you also have the light from the 2 windows and the window that's at the bottom. And I don't know if you can see that, but right where that red is in the distance, that is a Circle K gas station. So you won't be far from gas as well. So the first bathroom, it has 2 entry points. So one from the loft area, and then the other one leads into the bedroom area. Okay, so that's the walk-in closet. And so this was the extra surprise that I was telling you about, because it does come with its own media room. So you can definitely close this off if you want, black out those windows, and it's a pretty decent size for you to put your projector if you want. Get you some movie chairs and make this a movie room. Okay, so there's another storage space right here, storage closet area. And we are at the 3rd full bathroom. Does come with 1 sink and some cabinet space. Okay. Okay, so this is bedroom number 3. Let's get to this corner so you could kind of get a full glimpse of it. And it also has a walk-in closet. And the 4th and final bedroom. All the bedrooms are definitely a nice size. So, and they all have their walk-in closets. So like I said, this home is still available and it has been reduced. So that price will be in the description below and on the thumbnail. So if you have any questions, I can be reached at 830-369-1776. Thank you for watching.